Hi everyone, my name's Ian Morris. I'm a Senior Field Applications Engineer with Renesas, and today I'm going to show you how to build a complete system prototype using our QuickConnect Studio platform. You can access the QuickConnect Studio platform via the Renesas website. Simply click on the Launch QuickConnect Studio button and then enter your My Renesas credentials. After logging in, you're going to arrive here. Now what I'm going to do is create an AI facial recognition application using the EKRA D1 board. So I'm going to select the board, place it here. I'm now going to add a camera sensor, connect it to the board, and then finally I'm going to select which application I want to run, and that's the face detection application. The last step is to build using this button here. Now I'm going to change this project to add image classification. This is pretty simple. I just go back to the configuration, select image classification as the application, and then rebuild, pressing the build button. Okay, so now we're going to add some sensors and connectivity to our application. Again, this is a drag and drop operation. Select the sensor we want, hover over the connector we want it connected to, and then repeat for every sensor and connectivity element. We're also going to add a buzzer, battery charging capability, and a memory card. Final step is to select the Advanced Sensing Solution application before we rebuild. I'm now satisfied with the build. I'll order the boards online. So here's the kit I just ordered. Let's assemble it just like we built it on QuickConnect Studio. First, we have the MCU board. We also have a battery, the buzzer, and finally we have an image to test the image classification app. Okay, now I have the components unpacked. Let's assemble them. So first, we plug in the camera to the EKRA8 board. Next, the SD card shield into the microbus slot. Now the sensors, we're going to chain them into the PMOD connector. We're going to put the Bluetooth low energy connectivity PMOD here. We're going to connect the buzzer into the end here. So now I've assembled the boards. Let's flash the application into them using QuickConnect Studio. Okay, so now we've flashed the boards. Let's test the image classification app. First, I'm going to connect a battery to power the device during the testing. Let's now test the face detection application. So I'm going to hold the camera in my face, and those beeps you're hearing is when it recognizes the image as my face. You'll also see an orange box appear on the bottom left of the display. I'm able to turn the LED on and off using this simple toggle switch. I'm also able to view the output of the temperature and humidity sensor. And I'm also able to monitor the output of the ZMOD sensor. As you can see, QuickConnect Studio makes it super simple and easy to build a fully working prototype in minutes. We simply use the drag and drop interface to configure our hardware, flash the boards, and then run our demonstrations. I can't wait to show my customers.